In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your profile, which could be an external link to your website or blog, for example. So here we are on the home page. You can access your profile by clicking on the photo or your name on the left hand side, or by clicking on the Me icon in the main menu and then click on View Profile. Once you arrive at your profile, this is the link that I'm talking about that you want to add. So what you do is you click on the pencil and scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see here Custom Button, Edit Custom Button. And then you select Link, copy in the link, and then you'll see here linked text. So if you don't put the link text in there, what will show is this big ugly link over here. So rather put in some text telling people what that link is for. And you'll see you have a maximum of 30 characters. Then you click Save, and that will then be visible on your profile. Now, if you are not able to see that functionality when you click this pencil here, just scroll down a bit to your profile here to Resources. Make sure your creator mode has been turned on. If it hasn't, turn that on first, then go back up here and you should then be able to add that link. I hope you found that video useful. If you follow this channel, you will find other useful videos on functionality on LinkedIn.